morning, friends. So today I'm going to open this iVolta mobile charging adapter for your car. So it just got delivered today from the Amazon. So this has the two USB charging ports. One is the fast and another one is the slow. So I got this around 230 rupees from the Amazon. So let's open it and see how the product actually is. So I just opened it from the box. So I'll keep this aside. Okay, so here is the charging adapter, and the plastic quality looks pretty good. So here is the company name, iVolta. So these are the two ports. The top one is the fast charging and the below one is the slow charging. So the plastic quality overall product looks pretty decent for the price range of 230 rupees. So we'll start using it and see how actually it performs. But as of now, the product quality and all looks good.